tutorial. In this video we are going to learn about the inheritance. So I'm going to create one file. File name will be the inheritance. So what is the meaning of inheritance? The meaning of inheritance means, in general life example I am giving, suppose your father having some properties, like your father having car, bikes, so you can access that property, you can directly access, right, inherit that property. So if child is inherit all the property of the parent, that is called inheritance. The parent class will be always called as super class, and what inherit that class is called child class or subclass. Okay, so why required inheritance in coding? What is the use? So it reduce numbers of lines of code. No need duplication. It will reduce the duplication. Suppose there is one adding method, okay, in parent class, but same method I wanted to, same code, for adding same code will be there and same method will be there. So why again I have why should I write in again in child class? Better I can access from the parent class. Okay, so it means it reduce the duplication. Okay, it will save more time and it will reduce the size of the project. Okay, so we'll do one program, then we can understand easily. So first I'm going to create something for you to understand, like I'm going to take example of animals. Okay, so in animals there is a cat, dog, cow. Three animals are there, and three of them are belongs to animals. They having some properties. Okay, so they having the properties like they can eat food, okay, they can sleep, they can walk. This property dog also having, cow also having. The difference is shape and size, color. Cat having size, dog is different size, and cow is different size, and might they having different color also. Only these are the difference, and these three are same only, right? So if these are the same, these are difference, then if I'm going to create cat class, dog class and cow class, then why should I write this, I mean 9 times? Because these properties are same to this will belongs to every animals. Only this color and size is different for every animals. So what I can do it here, I can take one class. Okay, class, the class name will be animals. Okay, the class name will be animals class, and here I need to size that is an integer, and color, that is a string. So this thing I am going to print in init blocks, println size is dollar symbol size and color is okay. Now I'm going to create some other class. This is my parents class. I'm going to create child class. So class, I'm going to create cat. She having also some colors and size. So I'm going to this parameter, I'm going to copy from here. I'm going to enter here. Okay, now for extending, because this is our parents class, for extending this property to here, what I need to do in Kotlin? No need to write the extend like Java. We need to use double two dots with that animals. This coming here. Now I am writing size, comma, color. Okay, this is giving me error. Why? Because in Kotlin, whenever you are going to access any class, any parent class, you need to make it open with open keyword. Otherwise, it will be not able to extend, not able to inheritance anything. Even if I am writing here some variable, if you want to access here, you need to write open keyword. Then only you can access. Okay. So here I am writing one function. The function get, okay, and printing here get makes meow meow make sound meow. Then one more class I am going to create. So that class will be a dog class. So here I am writing dog. Here also dog function, dog, and other things are okay. Now this function I am going to access in main function. So where I have written for cat skull2, I am entering cat. Here I am writing size 10 and color is cat white. Then c dot cat. One more, I am going to create object that is for dog size 20 and color be red. Then d dog okay. Now let me run this program. See, the size is 10 for cat, color is white, cat can make sound meow, and this is for dog. So here we have inherit all the properties from the parents class. Now we are going to make one more class, and we are overriding this method. So I'm going to delete all those things. I'll keep this main function, and here also I'm going to delete this. Okay, and here I'm going to create one function. The function name will be sounds. Println okay. Now here I am going to create one class. The class will be cat, and this class I am going to inherit from animal. It's not okay. Class animals. Okay. Now I'm going to override that function. Fun sound is not coming because I need to make it here. Open I have made it here. Then function override operator, override fun sounds directly created from the super class, and here I am printing println cat can make sound. Meow. In the main function, this thing I'm going to delete, and c dot sounds. Here I'm not using anything. Okay. Now let me run this function. See. So from here, this function I am going to inherit, overriding to the parents class. Okay. So this is what we can make the inheritance